The BenQ HT2060 is built to redefine what an affordable home theater projector can truly deliver. It's compact, powerful, and designed to give you that immersive cinematic feeling without needing a professional setup. Once you power it on, the performance speaks for itself. Sharp visuals, rich colors, and smooth HDR playback that instantly enhance your movie or gaming experience. This projector features full HD 1080p resolution with HDR10 support and 4K compatibility, ensuring that every detail comes through crisp and lifelike. The 2200 lumens brightness rating may sound moderate, but BenQ's LED technology ensures consistent, vibrant imagery with exceptional contrast and accuracy. The result is a picture that feels dynamic, deep, and incredibly natural, whether you're watching during the day or at night. What really makes the HT2060 stand out is its LED light source. Unlike traditional lamp projectors that lose brightness over time, the LED setup provides up to 30,000 hours of lifespan, meaning you get years of flawless color performance without maintenance. It also runs quieter and cooler, making it ideal for long movie sessions or gaming marathons. In terms of setup, BenQ makes it simple. The projector includes a vertical lens shift, 1.3x zoom, and automatic keystone correction, giving you total control over image alignment and positioning. Even if your setup isn't perfectly centered, the adjustments help you achieve a clean, rectangular image every time. This flexibility makes it perfect for living rooms, bedrooms, or even small dedicated theater spaces. The connectivity options are modern and versatile. Dual HDMI 2.0 ports for your streaming devices, consoles, and Blu-ray players, plus S/PDIF for digital audio output. You can connect almost anything without hassle. The built-in 10W speakers do a solid job for casual viewing, producing clear mids and highs, though you can easily upgrade the sound through external systems for that extra punch. Color accuracy is one of BenQ's biggest strengths, and it's evident here. The projector handles HDR content with smooth tone mapping, ensuring no color banding or oversaturation. Blacks are deep but not crushed, highlights look realistic, and the overall contrast is perfectly tuned for both film and game visuals. Gamers will also appreciate its low input lag and responsive performance. Fast-paced scenes render smoothly, without ghosting or delay, which makes it a great option for console and PC gaming. Pair that with the vivid LED color reproduction, and it's like playing your favorite titles on a massive cinematic display. The design feels premium and understated, compact enough to blend in yet sturdy enough to handle regular use. The cooling system is efficient and quiet, keeping distractions to a minimum during your viewing sessions. It's one of those devices that delivers high-end performance while maintaining a user-friendly experience. Overall, the BenQ HT2060 stands out as one of the best home theater projectors in its price range. It balances performance, durability, and visual excellence in a way that's rare to find at this level. Whether you're building a home theater or upgrading from an older model, this projector delivers more than you'd expect. Hi guys, it's me. If you want to buy this BenQ HT2060 1080p HDR home theater LED projector, 4K supported, 2200 lumens, vertical lens shift, keystone correction, 3D 1.3x zoom, HDMI 2.0, built-in 10W speakers, then please visit the link provided in the description.